Hello, everyone. My name is Peyman Samadi, CEO and co-founder of eino.ai. Very excited to be here to tell you about our AI Assistant Network Planner. And I'll start with a quick intro about the founders and about the company and why we started this company and why we think it matters. And I try to spend more time on the deep dive and the demo and show you how we do it, basically. So I'll start with the founders. We're two founders. Interestingly, we both started our career as IT admins back in 99 and 2000, building and managing LAN networks for companies. We went to school. I studied photonics and optical telecommunication. JT studied astrophysics. We did a lot of research. I worked with companies like NVIDIA, Microsoft, AT&T on designing networks for future. JT did a lot of work on telescope data and how we could analyze the universe. We both moved to industry. I work at OptiWave, which is a software design tool for optical networks. And JT went to CenturyLink as a data scientist. And our company originally started at Cornell Tech. And this is a list of our partners and supporters: NSF, 500 Startups, Techstars, 5G Open Innovation Lab. And our initial idea was that how we could optimize the backbone of internet, those very big pipes of WDM channels, they're sitting there and they're not used, and how we could predict and move around the bandwidth. And we even built a small lab prototype, but we realized this is too risky. You don't want to mess with the backbone of internet. But we realized the technology is very useful in the wireless side, so we moved up the stairs and we adapted that technology there. And the idea was that, in every other, aspects, workflow of enterprise work, we use AI for different actions. And we realize it's not much being used in network and wireless planning and management. And we realized, let's find the problems and let's see how Wi-Fi could help. When we talked to a lot of engineers, we realized that designing networks has become way more complex. Now, enterprises need multiple networks. They need to build a Wi-Fi, private cellular, fixed wireless, LoRaWAN. And there are different use cases. You can't just do your cookie cutter and just put APs everywhere. So that means you need higher expertise. It takes more time, longer planning cycles, and that means higher costs. So that's exactly where AI comes in, that could automate this process and provide some expertise. And the idea is not that we fully give everything to AI. It's basically it takes it to 80, 90%, and then you take over from there. So we're specifically looking for two types of tasks. One is automating the repeating tasks. So when you have your brilliant engineer not sitting by computer and doing 500 clicks a day. And second, as new technology is coming in, create this knowledge base that could be shared. We use the knowledge base. Everyone go Google, everyone go to forums. Now they go to ChatGPT. But what if we built something specifically for network design and planning? So you get your recommendation, you use it as is, or you'll be able to modify as needed. And that's basically the general idea.